Demante Colony 2, also marketed as Demante Colony 2, Vengeance of the Unholy, is a 2024 Indian Tamil language supernatural horror thriller film directed by R. Ajay Nanamuthu. Produced by BTG Universal, Nanamuthu Patare and White Knights Entertainment. It is the second installment in the Demante Colony film series and serves both a sequel and prequel to Demante Colony, 2015. The film stars Arulniti and Priya Bhavani Shankar in the lead roles, alongside Arun Pandian, Antti Jaskalainen, Sering Dorji, Meenakshi Govindarajan, Sarjano Khalid and Archana Ravichandran. Demante Colony 2. Theatrical release poster. Directed B.Y.R. Ajay Nanamuthu. Written B.Y.R. Ajay Nanamuthu. Venki Venugopal. T. Raja. Well produced by Bobby Balachandran, Vijay Subbaramaniam, R. C. Rajkumar. Starring Arulniti, Priya Bhavani Shankar. Cinematography Harish Kannan. Edited by Kumaresh D. Music by Sam C. S. Production Companies: BTG Universal, White Knights Entertainment, Nanamuthu Patare. Distributed by Ed Giant Movies. Release date: the 15th of August 2024. Running time: 144 minutes. 1. Count Triangular Tamil budget 15 rupees 20 crore. 2. Box office 85 crore rupees. 2. In 2022, Venki Venugopal was announced as the director of the sequel. That November, however, Nanamuthu replaced him, while he would still be part of the writing team. Principal photography commenced the same month and the first schedule was shot entirely in Hosur while the rest of the film was shot in Chennai. Filming wrapped by late June 2023. The film has music composed by Sam C. S. Cinematography handled by Harish Kannan and editing by Kumaresh D. Demante Colony 2 was initially scheduled to release in September 2023, but was postponed due to post-production delays. The film was released theatrically on the 15th of August 2024, coinciding with Independence Day. 3. It received positive reviews from critics and audiences praising its screenplay and cast's performances. 4. The film grossed 85 crore rupees at the box office, making it one of the highest-grossing Tamil films of 2024. 2. A sequel, Demante Colony 3 is in production. Plot. Edit. On the 6th of June 2009, Samuel, Sam, Richard, a cancer survivor, is found hanging, alongside his friends who fell from an apartment building. Debbie, Sam's wife, suspects foul play. A few years after Sam's death, Debbie's mother is outraged upon discovering Debbie's continuing attempts to conceive using Sam's preserved sperm through artificial insemination, even after miscarrying twice, sparking tension between Debbie and her parents. Debbie is closer to Sam's father Drive. Richard. 6 years after Sam's death, Debbie on her way to her Chinese restaurant inauguration, witnesses an astrologer's suicide on the 6th of June 2015, and stumbles upon Srinivasan, Srini. Sensing Sam's presence, She consults a doshi to communicate with Sam's spirit. Meanwhile, in Hyderabad, Raghunandhan and his half-sister Aishwarya contest in the court against Srini, their estranged brother, for inheriting 70% of their deceased father's 2,500 crore rupees, equivalent to 38 billion rupees of 450 million United States dollars in 2023, worth estate. Simultaneously, the doshi sends Devi to the spirit world, where she sees Sam trapped and she scribbles, "Help." Simultaneously, Srini, who had fallen to his death from the flat, awakens. Devi writes, "This will repeat," with a doublet image of Srini's face, hinting at a mysterious connection. On the 6th of June 2021, 6 years after Srini's accident, the doshi advises Devi to perform a Mahakala Mahayana Puja for Srini, who lies in a vegetative state under Richard's care. Raghu obtains a court order for Srini's passive euthanasia, aiming to claim the 70% inheritance. However, Devi warns Raghu that harming Srini will seal his own fate. A shocking revelation emerges. Raghu and Srini, born from the same atom, are cosmically entangled, destined to die together. Their intertwined fates are rooted in the 2015 incident, where not only Srini survived his fatal accident, but at the same time, Raghu had also survived an exactly similar fatal accident. Richard and Debbie's investigation leads to a mysterious book, Unsung King of a Fallen Kingdom, previously read by Sam and Raghavan, Srini's friend. This book had only been checked out once in 6 years, and the borrower mysteriously died on the 6th of June, and the book was every time recovered and returned to the library through a librarian. Further research uncovers Raghavan's script, Demente Colony, exposing an evil force that claims a chain, killing the chain's holder, trapping the spirits of the dead. Richard implores Raghu to intervene, breaking the cycle to allow his son's spirit to rest in peace. Debbie, Raghu, and Dayalan safeguard the Demente house to prevent any entry into the house to avoid fueling Demente's terror. Despite the doshi's caution, Raghu, Dayalan, and the inspector rush into the house after hearing a scream. Inside, they find 4 captive girls held by 3 female ghosts, who vanish upon Raghu's arrival. Aditi, one of the girls, reveals they were teleported from their hostel after reading the mysterious book. Dayalan's investigation identifies librarian Alphonse as the book's provider. Aditi confesses to chanting hymns to obtain the chain, secretly placing it in Raghu's coat. The doshi, fearing for Srini's life, instructs the monks to perform Mahayana Puja, utilizing the furba if necessary. Raghu, Devi, and the doshi get trapped in the restaurant, where they watch a video showing Raghu getting possessed and killing them. The video abruptly ends, and they discover the sigil of Baphomet, linked to satanic worship. The doshi begins rituals as the chain heats up, causing Raghu distress, and Richard is choked to death. Demente's spirit arrives, kills the doshi, and